Yo, welcome back to Auto Ray's Garage. It's Ziggy. It's been a minute since the last video. I can't remember which one I put. I think it was changing the headlight on this CC. As you know, it's like a coronavirus and all that's going down, so work is a little slow, so I haven't got parts for the suspension and brakes for the D100 yet. I'm still saving up a little bit of money. I got a few more parts to get, and then I can start tackling that whole front end. But today we're going to do just a little cosmetic upgrade on the CC. As you know, I painted the wheels about a year ago, the orange color, and now I'm gonna repaint the wheels a different color. But in this video, we're gonna go ahead and paint the calipers, since I already took the wheels off. And what we're gonna use is, the most common one is the Rust-Oleum red caliper paint. So we're gonna tackle these. I'm gonna just tape them all up. I'm not gonna pull the calipers off or anything like that. I'm just gonna mask it all up and we'll shoot it. But before that, we have to I want to clean them up. Now I know some people just clean them and then spray it. Some people clean them and sand them and spray it. I'm gonna clean them and sand them and then spray it, just so it sticks better and hopefully lasts a little longer. And so to clean them, here I got brake clean from Walmart, Super Tech. This is actually an old bottle. I was at Walmart and I was looking for everywhere and I couldn't find it, but they end up changing the label, so this is their new brake clean Super Tech. They're like brown. But anyway, let's spray this on there, get this cleaned up, scuff them up really good, and then mask it up, and then we'll just go on and get this show rolling. Alright, so I thought it was raining. Alright, these brake calipers are actually pretty good. They're not horrible. So we're gonna just hit it with some brake clean. Now this might be overkill using a brush since they're not rusty or anything, but we'll just give it a little scuff. Now if you got an older car, older vehicle, or brakes with some rust on it, you definitely want to use this wire brush to knock that rust off. This one's not that bad, so this might be overkill, but it doesn't hurt. And I might actually get in the car and turn this wheel so we see more, so I can get better view of the back and everything, which I am going to do. I'm going to get in the car and turn the wheel. Alright, that's a little better. Got to see more of the caliper now. So we're gonna get some paper towels, clean this all off. Now I'm gonna sand with some 320 here. Just peel the roll, and it should be good enough, so the paint will stick better to it. Alright, let's hit it with the brake clean again. Knock a lot of that dust off. Alright, so we're gonna get up masking this thing off. Cover everything we don't want red. Alright, so we're all taped up, ready to spray this thing. So you guys all the way around. Yeah. So let's get this let's get the popping. One can should cover all four, that's what they say, so we'll see. Alright, so I just put the first coat on the first caliper. Let me guys show you. And it looks really good for one coat already. Covered pretty good, just a little bit more. The can says wait an hour before you put the second coat on, so which I'm gonna do. I got nothing but time, so I'm gonna start working on all the other ones in the meantime, and then just work my way all the way back around. So you know, we get a nice even coat, nice, so it lasts long and everything. But for the most part, it looks pretty good. So I put 2 coats, all the calipers. It's been sitting here dry for about an hour. I'm just gonna mask it. I'm not gonna put the wheels on, probably not till tomorrow and everything, so it's gonna sit. But let's get this unmasked and see how it looks. These things, I really like this red. It's hard to see because my garage is pretty dark, but it is very nice shiny red. Get this untaped up, and here is the final product. It's so hard to see because it's dark, but got a little overspray, but we'll clean that up. Really good. 2 coats, 1 can, covered all of them, and there's plenty more left. Here we are. They look really really good. Can't wait to get the wheels back on there. Alright, we're back. So it's the next day. The caliper's been sitting, I don't know, over 12 hours. So they're pretty dry. And I put the wheels back on. I did paint the wheels a different color than what they were. They used to be orange, now they're a different color. I didn't film that. There is a video on my page of me painting the rims orange and like full detail and all that, so you guys can look that up. But here's the finished product. So I changed it, went with a blue, and it really makes the red calipers stand out. So I really like that. They look really good. Goes the rear. And they came out really well. I really like this. So I'm very happy. And yeah. You guys like, comment, subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram at autorace_YT. And I'll catch y'all next time.